Hi, this is Sarah from Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the October 2020 Teacher Care Crate. And I do have baby Frida with me. Hopefully she stays chill throughout. She's a new addition since last month. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card. This month's theme is pumpkin spice and teacher life. The info card just tells you everything that comes in the crate and where it came from. Next, we have this adorable sticker sheet. Got some pumpkins, some pencils, some kind of fall and teachery phrases like hocus pocus, everybody focus. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by Emily Krause of Krause Math. And you've got this cozy teacher here with her pumpkin spice candle and her laptop, her coffee, super cute. Next, we have this whipped soap from Soak and Unwind. If you're a longtime subscriber, you may remember these whipped soaps, but this is a new scent. This is Pumpkin Vanilla Cupcake, and all their scents are so good. Honestly, it kind of makes you want to eat it. But this is a really nice treat for the shower or bath. Next, we have this pumpkin garland. These are felted pumpkins, and you can kind of scoop these pumpkins if the spacing's not quite right. I thought this would be really great for a bulletin board or a background, like in your backdrop if you're doing remote learning, or just to have it in your home, like on the fireplace. Or I might put it on Hippo. My pug Hippo has a cart. I might put it on his cart. Let's see. Next, we have this month's wearable item. This is a velvet scrunchie in a really nice, rich, burnt orange kind of pumpkin color. Next, we have a pumpkin spice bath bomb. I had the very difficult job of trying out a bunch of different pumpkin spice bath bombs, and this one I thought had the best scent and gave the best texture. This is from Silver City Soapworks. Next, we have a Pumpkin Spice for Life candle. This is from Until the Very End Co. Also smells really good. It's kind of funny, like all the things are pumpkin spice, but they all have sort of a slightly different smell. This is a cinnamon spice and pumpkin souffle scent. And then last, we have this month's treat. This is a pumpkin spice mug cake. This is from Primal Noms. They just changed their name to Sweet Logic if you're looking to get more, if you like this one. And what a mug cake is, if you don't know, is you just pour the mix into a mug, in this case along with either butter, oil, and an egg, and then you just make it in the microwave. It takes less than 2 minutes. It's really tasty. It's also gluten-free, keto, paleo, low carb, so hopefully this works for a lot of you. Make a really good after-school snack, or if you're at home doing remote learning, just kind of between Zoom sessions. So that's everything that comes in this month's Pumpkin Spice and Teacher Life Crate. Again, you have your pumpkin spice mug cake, your pumpkin spice bath bomb, pumpkin spice for life candle. I don't think I've ever said pumpkin spice so many times in my life. Your pumpkin vanilla cupcake whipped soap, your velvet scrunchie, your felted pumpkin garland, sticker sheet, art print, and of course just your info card. That is everything that comes in October 2020 Teacher Care Crate. This month's crate is already sold out. So if you're wanting to subscribe, you can head to teachercarecrate.com starting on October 25th, and then you can sign up to start with the November crate. Thanks for watching.